Hey YouTube, y'all know the vibes. It's your girl KC, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, my name is KC. If you're not new, welcome back to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat at Famous KC. Follow me on there. And in today's video, we're gonna basically be doing like a prep with me for vacation. I'm not gonna tell y'all where I'm going yet because that's a surprise for the next video. But I'm gonna be doing my hair, nail, and lashes, and a couple of other things in this video because we gotta prep for vacation. Like, I'm going somewhere, and like, I'm a little bit last minute, so you know, I gotta get my stuff done today. So the first thing we're gonna do is my hair first, and later on we're gonna do the nails. So we're gonna get the hair done right now. So I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye. Okay guys, I just finished my hair. This is how it looks. It's like a bob with like curls at the ends. And she did my lashes. It looks really, really cute because I'm trying to look nice for my trip. But I like how she did it. She did so cute. I've done bobs before, but I've never done one with curls like this. So this was really cute. And I love the way she did my baby hairs. And of course, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow her on Instagram because I always put her Instagram on the screen. So in case you want to book. Well, actually, you should book. You should book. Maybe you might want to book this look because this look is really cute. So I'm finna head to the next appointment, which is my nails. So I'm going to catch y'all later. But this is how my hair look. And it looks so cute. I love it. So I'm going to catch y'all later.
I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. I don't care about your body. Let the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. Let the way you touch my body. From the back, get body. I never tell nobody. I really need somebody. Tell me.
Hey guys, we're at Chick-fil-A. My sister's going back to her campus and we ordered tenders, fries, and sandwiches. Ooh, I really like my hair. It's something different. And we're waiting for our food. We're not gonna eat there. It's like for to go. I really want to try the nothing bundt cake.
If we have time, but I doubt it because we're already going to Audi and we're going to, I don't know. I mean, if we have time, yeah, because I'm not going to lie, I don't mind being late to the class because we're just watching a movie. The midterm is on Wednesday.
What kind of movie?
I don't know. Probably something dumb and boring.
Cause like I don't know, it's so crazy how some people be saying like it was so funny seeing people like pretend that the Biscoff is nasty and it's really good.
Cause I can try it, but you won't be here to try it with me. That's the thing. Cause I won't go home. Cause you won't see me go home. You won't see me coming back until like the very end. But I'll try it though.
Yeah, I really want to try that one. It tastes good. Well, I haven't tasted it, but like people say it tastes good.
It looks good. But I still want to get it. Hopefully we still can.
Yeah,
I can see how far it is from my campus. Cause I don't really care about it. Because they also said install the TV too. We're not going to install it.
Hey guys, we're trying the new Nothing Bundt Cakes Biscoff cookie. So that's where I'm walking to. I'm getting me and my sister one because we want to try it. And lots of people say it tastes good. So I want to try it. So we're gonna walk in.
What's the name for it?
Okay, we have one separate bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
For the chocolate?
Yeah, for my friend.
Is that receipt?
No.
Yeah.
We got it. Let me try it. Tastes pretty good to me. $6.
What time are we getting catfish check?
I'm doing my vlogging business. Nothing but cakes. I give it a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Hey guys, it's the next morning, and good morning to you guys. Your girl is so tired and stressed out about this trip, guys. Oh my gosh. I didn't even sleep last night because I was looking for like my shirts and stuff to wear for the trip. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you how my nails look. These are like how my nails look. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you probably already saw it already because I always post a reel all the time with my videos so y'all can see. But the next thing we finna do right now is pack. I'm about to go with y'all. I'm going to show y'all the packing process. It's a lot of work, I'm not going to lie. But we got to get it done. So, I don't know. We're going to call this Come Pack with KC. Let's go. Hey, guys. We finna pack my stuff into my bags right now. So, my suitcase is kind of a little bit big, so I'll just see how my best I can.
When I'm lonely, baby, it's like my friends don't know me. Girl, it used to be my lonely. Got me with a lady, she saw me. Even the trees get lonely. Left me here, 3 in the morning, questioning all the things you told me.
So the place that I'm traveling to is Turkey. Going there for my mom's aunt's birthday. But it has like a lot, like we're doing activities each day. I didn't tell y'all that. But now y'all know. And I'm gonna vlog the whole entire trip. I'm just brushing my hair because it needs to be brushed. Oh, the activities, we're doing a tour. It's going to be a party. There's going to be like a dinner. Like a lot of things. I'm going to show y'all around the resort. It's a very nice resort. With like a lot of restaurants on there and stuff. Can't wait for y'all to see it. I've been so stressed out, y'all, because I literally waited till the last minute to pack my stuff. And that's why I'm so stressed out. I learned a valuable lesson. Don't wait till the last minute to pack for a trip. Because I didn't really know like what the freak to really pack for real like that. Well, I knew what to pack, but like, I just wasn't sure if I had like everything that I needed. But I think I do have everything that I needed for real. So, yeah. And I can't wait to go on this trip. Pretty sure it's going to be really fun. Hopefully, like, my phone, like, doesn't run out of storage. But I don't think it is. I don't think it's not because I have, like, 1 terabyte on my phone. I'm going to refilm it on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I am in the process of getting a camera. I feel like I'm long overdue for the camera. I feel like I've outgrown the phone. I feel like I've outgrown the phone. But I'm going to get the little, Osmo Pocket camera. That camera looks so cool. I see so many content creators with that camera. And, like, I'm just like, man, I got to have that camera. Because at first, the original camera that I wanted to get was the Sony ZV-E10 camera. But that camera is too big. I still want to get it as a backup camera, just in case like the Osmo Pocket acts up. Because some people be saying like the Osmo Pocket camera acts up. Hopefully don't act up on me though. That would not be okay with me. But I've been hearing good things about that camera. Like the quality is so nice. And it looks very convenient. It looks very convenient. Compared to a camera, like an actual camera looks very convenient. And also like, if you're really, really scared to vlog, that would be a good camera. At first, I used to be really, really scared to vlog, but I'm not really scared anymore like the way I used to be scared. But I can't wait to have that camera soon. Oh yeah, I gotta figure out like the activities I'm gonna do for the fall, because I do want to start my fall content. I do. I have a lot of things planned for the fall for you guys. Y'all are gonna see on my channel. After I get all this like vacation content and like a couple of other videos out, most definitely gonna start on the fall content. But then like, I don't see the point of buying really decorations that much, because it's just temporary. Like the decorations are probably only gonna go up till November. Cause soon as around Thanksgiving comes around, people take their decorations down and they put their Christmas stuff, their Christmas tree and their Christmas decorations up. So like, I don't really see the point of really buying fall decor that much. Cause the Christmas decorations, people keep those for like 3 months. I don't know. I've seen people keep their Christmas tree all year round. I don't know how some of y'all do that. I don't know if I could really do that, but that's crazy. I can understand that, because the hardest part about having a Christmas tree is obviously taking it down. Putting it up is probably not that bad, but I think taking it down, like, that becomes very stressful for some people. Especially if you put a lot into your Christmas tree. I can understand that. I really can. But I'm gonna show y'all the outfit that I will be wearing when I go to the airport. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Okay, so basically I ordered this tracksuit because y'all know the airport be cold. So I ordered a tracksuit for the airport. And it's called Rockstar. This is it. This is the hoodie. And then I'm gonna show y'all the bottoms. This is it. But this is so cute though, because the airport be cold. It be cold in there. I think I might need to carry a blanket with me at the airport, because I'm pretty sure you get on the plane, they don't really provide blankets and stuff. But that's the outfit that I'm wearing. And I'm probably gonna wear those with my Jordan 1s. Well, they're somewhere over there. But if you want to know where I got this from, it's gonna be on my TikTok. Like when I post my TikTok video of like me getting ready for the airport and stuff, I'm going to link this below so y'all can go and get it. I know some people I know some YouTubers, they gatekeep where they get their stuff from. I'm not one of those YouTubers. I will literally tell you where I get it from. I don't really see the point of gatekeeping a tracksuit, an outfit, a shirt, a wig. I don't see the point of gatekeeping that. Like, it's not that big of a deal. Just tell people where you get it from. Because there's some people that don't really know, like, where they get their stuff from. So, like, ain't nothing wrong with, like, helping somebody out. You feel me? And also, y'all, I do feel like I should be more than where I am. I should be more than what I am on YouTube. I feel like I should be at 30,000 subscribers. But I am trying to be consistent. I do feel like I lack consistency. I feel that's one of my big major problems. Like, I feel like I post a YouTube video and then, like, I disappear. I feel like I do that too often. I will post a YouTube video today, then, like, I'll probably come back, like, after 8 days, like, I post a YouTube video, I post another one. I feel like that's too late. Like, I want to post back to back, but it'd be so hard. The editing is so time consuming. I feel like that's my major problem, like, the editing. Because I want my editing to look good. I don't want my editing to look rushed. I don't want to just throw things in the video. I want it to look good. I want to take my time. I feel like that's another thing, because I don't want to rush to ever put out a YouTube video that doesn't look good. I'm talking like the videos all over the place. I do feel like some of my videos are all over the place, But at the same time, some people do find videos like that entertaining. I love watching vlogs that are all over the place, moving to one clip to another clip. Those be so entertaining and funny. I love seeing those type of videos. And I'm pretty sure y'all love seeing those type of videos too as well. But I can't wait for y'all to see the videos on my channel. And I can't wait for y'all to see this video and my next video after that. I can't wait for y'all to see it. I'm so excited. And I'm going to do like an updated Q&A. I feel like it's been a while and I want y'all to know me. I feel like some of y'all don't really know me like that. So I do want to do an updated Q&A video because I feel like y'all don't really know me and I want y'all to know me. So I will be trying to work on that. I will be working on that. But y'all got to ask me some questions in the comments and stuff. Wait, did I pack my swimsuit? I gotta go check. Oh my God, I gotta go check. I'm gonna check my suitcase twice. Cause sometimes, like, I don't know, you gotta make sure you have your stuff. Cause sometimes you think you packed something and like you didn't pack something. But let me go check my suitcase because I feel like I didn't pack that. I gotta make sure I pack my hair stuff too for the trip. I gotta go check again. I gotta check the suitcase like 3 times. I'm sorry. Because I know I forget myself so much. Like, I really do. I'm sorry for my long rant or whatever this is. I'm sorry for talking so long. But I feel like most of my YouTube videos, I don't really talk that much. I be having music over it. So I just wanted to talk, have my little mini rant with you guys. I hope I'm not overdoing it. I do feel like I'm overdoing it. But, you know, it's my video, my channel and stuff. So, yeah. Well, that's the end to this video. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And stay tuned for the vlog. And I love you guys very, very much. Remember to keep God first. Keep believing in yourself. Have faith. And believe that you can make it. And also know that God loves you. Because if God loves me, he loves you too. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. I can't wait for y'all to see it. Bye.